Hey, Bo Wise, how you doing? Say hi, Moose. Here comes Raven. Say hi, Raven. Good girl. Thank you. I see flying hearts. Thanks for the love, everybody. They are Alaskan Malamutes. They look a lot like Huskies, but they're a lot bigger. Moose here, he weighs about, maybe a little more than 100 pounds. Raven's pretty much the same size. She's a little skinnier. She might be 3 or 4 pounds less than him. They have similar markings to a husky, but they're way bigger and stronger. They were bred for towing the really big weight. Golden Labradoodle, cool. They're cool looking dogs. Labradoodles are nice for people that are allergic to regular dogs because of their fur. They don't, well, I know that they have more of like a wavy poodle hair, so it's not as bad for people with bad allergies. They can be. PSF VR, thank you. Should check out a video I posted this past week of Raven. She was howling like a wolf. But they don't yip like huskies do. They will howl though. Not quite as talkative as a husky. They're wrestling. Hey, Raven, you got your paw stuck in Moose's harness. We don't want that. They originate from Alaska. They were bred for towing heavy weights on the dog sleds. So they're really similar to a husky. Hey, be nice to each other. We've had a rainy day. Those are tree frogs that you hear up above me right now. They're in this maple tree. You up on the wood box, Moose? You're a good boy. Say hi to everybody. Here comes Raven.